Hi everyone! Happy Thanksgiving! Guess how we started our Thanksgiving? We ran a 5K! We did the 15th annual Silicon Valley Turkey Trot, and it's the largest timed turkey run in the US. Around 30,000 people participated, and they hope to raise around $1 million that are going to be donated to 5 different local charities. Stay tuned and we'll show you the vendor festival that they set up after the turkey trot and all the cool freebies that we got. And the cutest turkey hat I've ever seen. And then of course, nothing is more fun after some nice exercise than a really yummy lunch. So we went to a shabu and Korean BBQ buffet. So here's some amazing facts about the Silicon Valley Turkey Trot. This is the 15th year that they've done this charity run. $8.7 million has been donated to local charities, including 2.9 million pounds of food to feed hungry families, 60,000 vision screenings and 4,000 plus pairs of glasses for children, and almost 3,800 individuals placed into affordable housing. So the Turkey Trot is just a wonderful cause to get behind, and we were so glad to be a part of it. The weather ended up being really nice and sunny, and it was so nice to wake up early and get some exercise in. It wasn't easy, but it felt so good to finally cross the finish line. It's definitely worth it to go to the Turkey Trot Festival afterwards. They have a lot of freebies. They hand out free water, and look how many boxes of Dasani they went through. So first there's a Beck's Shoes booth where you can spin the wheel, and if you land on one of the white parts, you can win something. And I saw a bunch of people winning stuff. But while you're waiting in line, they actually also go around and give you a $20 gift card. And there's no minimum purchase, which is awesome. We got a free calendar. There are free bags. They hand out 2 different types of Kind bars. There's free Vietnamese coffee from Lee Sandwiches. And complimentary chiropractic sports care. Wow. And a free photo at the Marvel photo booth. Oh yeah, and then I said that I was going to show you guys the cutest hat ever. Are you ready? Here it is. Cutest turkey hat ever. So we're so glad that the Turkey Trot is doing amazing things, and we had so much fun. So hope you all had a happy and yummy Thanksgiving. See you guys next time.